The availability of water and its effective use is the key to successful farming in South Africa. A pivot can make the winning difference. On this sugarcane farm in KwaZulu-Natal, Centre 360 arrived just in time. When ProAgri visited the Percivals on their farm near Gingingluvu on the Natal North Coast, it looked like rain for the first time in weeks. They say it's the worst drought in more than a century, and the sugarcane tells the story. Under the pivot is a green oasis, but right next to it, the sugarcane is a dismal sight. Years ago, when the average rainfall in the area was 1,200 millimeters per year, nobody thought of irrigation. But the situation has changed. Last year, the total precipitation on the farm was a mere 514 millimeters. We actually moved onto uncharted terrain here because advisors used to tell sugarcane farmers that irrigation in this area was not economically viable. However, with the changed weather patterns and global warming, as they say, we have found that rainfall is more sporadic and not constant, and that supplementary irrigation has a huge impact on particularly sugarcane production in this region.
Yeah, currently we're in one of the worst droughts in history, and we've still got cane here. Our cane is looking good under the pivots, where in other areas it's a desperate situation. So it's made a huge difference to us this year, and should pay itself off very quickly if things continue. But we hope for rain also.
In the end, nothing beats rain, but Centre 360's experts can assist farmers to apply their available water as economically as possible, where it is needed most. The pivot is effective at pressures as low as 2.5 bar, and its variable speed drive saves energy by regulating the electricity supply according to the selected rate of water application, as indicated by soil moisture detectors in the land. And changing the settings is very easy.
Yeah, that's very simple. It's just a matter of turning this knob here up or down. At the moment I'm set it at 10 mils we're putting on. Just by turning this knob I can turn it right up or down depending how much we require. And at the moment we're running on 10, so we'll put it back to there. And simple as that.
Simple and clever. That is the secret of Centre 360's design. The modular design allows for future expansion, such as remote control from a cellular phone. The farmer and his pivot can grow together. In a well-organized factory near Klerksdorp, the pipes used for the structure are made in manageable 6.4 meter lengths to fit onto a small truck. A farmer can also expand his pivot by adding lengths. Another important advantage is the use of tubes instead of angle iron for the trusses, making the structure lighter, which means more trusses can be added for more strength. The tubes also offer less wind resistance. Adding to the reduced wind resistance is the wide wheelbase of every tower, ensuring stability for every Centre 360 pivot, even in strong winds. Tiens Dreyer from Centre 360 is constantly investigating innovative solutions to make life easier for farmers, such as fitting an extra set of wheels or an add-on scraper to refill the wheel tracks as the pivot moves along to prevent getting stuck in mud. In reality, getting stuck is an unusual occurrence as the correct tires developed for pivots are being used. The wheels keep on turning, and the water keeps on flowing right up to the last sprayer, with a special filter preventing blockages. People are still at the heart of all of this technology, and a Centre 360 farmer can depend on the best and friendliest local service with continued support and readily available parts. Centre 360 believes in a personal relationship with every client, looking after them and making sure that they can farm economically and productively to increase their profits. Centre 360, the pivot of success.